Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together.
Breaking news.
We're back.
Oh my God, imagine that. Dude.
All right, we're gonna shift gears a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. So this particular recipe is highlighting a very popular Black entertainer comedian, specifically his tequila brand, okay? And that is Kevin Hart. Okay,
Damn.
we're gonna be.
I wasn't ready. Pineapples. All right, let's go.
Yep. So if you're not familiar, he has a tequila called what? I can't even talk. Oh my God.
Did you say gold? Okay, whatever. Go ahead.
It's called Gran Caramino. Now this is the Cristalano, but he does have one other one, which is in a brown bottle, and I can't remember what it's called. But this recipe is called Gran Caramino The Achiever. And what you just found out, right, was that the Achiever is traditionally made with
Cognac. From what I saw.
So this is like a tequila version of that, okay? So real quick, we are going to run down the list of ingredients. It's also my understanding that you've not had this particular tequila before.
I don't recall tasting it by itself.
Okay, so she's gonna have her little sip of it before we start, but let's run down the ingredients. Okay, so we have the main event, Gran Caramino.
Okay.
I found prickly pear infused syrup, so that's what we're finna use. Lime juice, orange bitters, and creme de coconut. All right, let's get started.
Okay, so how much is that?
2 ounces of our tequila. Then we're gonna do 3/4 ounce. Thank you. I'll move this. Of our lime juice.
0.75. Leave a little off the top, pretty much.
Pretty much. Look at math.
See, I'm learning.
Look at math. 1/2 ounce of the prickly pear. Now in these bottles, you gotta be careful because they do, they squirt. Just saying. Half an ounce. I feel like that was.
I'm gonna eyeball this.
Yeah. Don't even try to measure it out. Just eyeball it because 2 dashes, they say.
Not
we have a dropper.
Dashes.
So we gonna do 2 drops. All right.
Our little Coupe glass.
Oh. Wow.
The Achiever is achieving. That's all you got? I still got some little bit left in.
I mean, all right. Well,
I still got more. So
I don't know what liquor math she be using, but I'm not getting the memo. Let's try this.
It's cute though.
It is cute.
Damn.
Ooh.
I'm sorry.
Hello.
I'm sorry.
Hello. Ooh. 1 second. Oh.
It's your turn to go though.
Oh, okay. Okay, well.
No, I wasn't ready. Go ahead. Sorry. I wasn't, but
The Achiever is achieving. Okay, that's what I will say. On appearance side, it's giving me elevated creamsicle or orange creamsicle.
Never had it. I don't know.
I mean, what I mean.
But if it is that,
just the appearance, the appearance, not like a Woo. This is good. I am happy with it.
I'm befuddled. This is the third.
Yeah,
I'm on a roll. You know what?
Right.
Good.
Yep. So, I mean, listen, I'm gonna cut to the chase. It's definitely like at least a 9.5 to 10 with me.
Ow, we on a roll.
This is good though. I was like, okay, I don't know what you're going to give with the coconut and the prickly pear. I was like, I could see if I'm doing a margarita and have the prickly pear, woo, woo, woo. Mm-hmm. But I wasn't sure how that plus the orange bitters was going to work out. But this is giving, yes.
It's not
giving,
mid. It's not giving mid.
It's not giving mid. It's, again, I feel like it's a summertime favorite. I mean, which, by the way, I always look for new recipes to incorporate in my summer, like, you know, vibe. Because I feel like I make a lot of gin-based drinks in the summer, which is not bad. It's not bad, but, you know, to diversify one's portfolio is important.
Portfolio.
Of drinks, you know. Portfolio.
Chip.
Right. So I love this. It's great. I have nothing bad to say about it. Your turn.
I think it was the cream of coconut that made it creamy-ish, you know? Mm-hmm. But overall, I'm going to give this a solid 10. So 10 so far for me. I feel like Mr. Mowat a little bit right now.
Oh my God, I know.
10. But this is awesome. I would definitely recommend this. Highly recommend this. This is actually awesome. So Kevin Hart, you came up with this. Big ups to you. Round of applause.
Now, I will say this. I don't know if he came up with the recipe, but he did have the tequila. So the reason I said that is I found it on a website where they were highlighting
his brand.
So I don't know if he made it. So I don't know if we can give him credit. But in general, the tequila itself is pretty good.
Yeah.
So I would say the fact that is essentially the base liquor, you know, I will give you a high five.
That's the highlight of the cocktail, the liquor. So
correct.
Yeah. Nonetheless, you get either partial credit or full credit. Right. However you like to see it, a win is a win. A win is a win.
Y'all need to try this. Okay, when is the last time we have been shooting and had like so far like 3 recipes that were just on point?
Well,
or do we remember it?
I don't like to toot my own horn, but I did take a little bit more effort in putting the recipes in front of her because the recipe she be picking up. Like,
wait a minute, Heffa. Lies, fairy tales, and fallacies.
Let's do the Bloody Mary. Let's do the Dirty Martini. No. Okay. I put my foot down. I stand on business. You hear what I'm saying?
First of all.
And guess what? I brought y'all 3 good drinks, and we're going to keep this momentum going.
First of all, stank ass. Hold on a minute.
Whoa. This is a family channel.
I don't care. X that out, cameraman. Listen, ma'am. I said what I said. That's so
light-skinned of her to do that. Anyway, I don't like this black on black crime on Juneteenth. So with that being said,
wait a minute, Heffa. I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say real quick.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Thank you. Over here, just not allowing me to speak my truth.
I'm gonna have to speak to HR after this. Go ahead.
Oh my God. All right. So in defense of the things like the Bloody Mary and that nasty ass dirty martini, those were required because in the particular themes we were talking about, those are popular drinks within that theme. And you over here mimicking me. I see you eyelashes. Really? Shut up. Whatever.
I said what I said.
And I also said what I said. Thank you very much.
It's more fitting because me and Nene Leaf match. You know, we got the same skin.
I don't know. She's been bleaching a little bit. Anyway.
You sure it wasn't her hair? Because she is blonde. Nonetheless, I don't want her to come after me because the ghetto. I mean, okay, hold on. All right. Let's get back on topic. Kevin Hart, you did it. I don't know what you did, but you did something. At least with your brand. Boom shakalaka. 10-10 for me, 9.5, 10 for her. It's a win. Y'all need to try it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and bring that dingly thing. What's his name? Jerome. Jerome in the house. Hey. Anyway, we'll see y'all later. We got some fun activities coming up next.